We're gathered together in God's love. We're gathered in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
At the count of 3, 2, 1, congratulations! Secretary, Attorney Joshua Emmanuel Carino.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of our President, President Renato L. Diaz, kayo po ang gateway ng korporasyon sa ating stakeholders in our regions all around the Philippines. So once again, congratulations Jensan, Ms. Rebaya, and all the staff for this wonderful inauguration. Thank you very much.
By this time, let's hear another message that will be given to us by our Vice President of Collection and Accounts Management Group. May I call on Boss Jake Alcaro.
Thank you to our esteemed guests, all of you are esteemed, and most especially, political friend, to my indefatigable friend. Salamat. Salamat.
Now, and we have come to the conclusion of our program. To give us his closing remarks, let's give a round of applause to our Department Head, Central Servicing Department, Sir Noel Valencia.
Thank you to the OP Group, headed by Atty. Carino, on behalf of our President Renato Diaz.